Discover the best budget-friendly solar lights to brighten your outdoors. Welcome to Brighten Academy. If you want to light up your garden, driveway, patio, or backyard without increasing your electricity bill, solar lights are a smart and sustainable choice. But with so many options out there, how do you find reliable solar lights that don't break the bank? In this video, we'll show you the best budget-friendly solar lights to brighten your outdoor space. Plus what features to look for so you get the most value for your money. Let's get started. Why choose solar lights? Solar lights are powered by sunlight, so they don't require wiring, electricity, or expensive installation. They're perfect for pathways and walkways, gardens and flower beds, driveways, porches and patios, backyards and fences. Security lighting. Solar lights are not only energy efficient, they're also easy to install, low maintenance, and eco-friendly. And today, there are plenty of affordable options that offer great performance and durability. Top 5 budget-friendly solar lights for 2025. Let's look at some of the best low-cost solar lights you can buy right now. These picks are based on affordability, brightness, durability, and customer reviews. Number 1. AUTech 182 LED Solar Motion Sensor Lights. Perfect for security lighting around entrances, garages, or dark corners. Has 3 lighting modes: motion sensor, always on, and dim light plus motion. Weatherproof and heat-resistant price. Usually under $40 for a 2-pack. Great motion detection up to 26 feet. A great option for people who want budget-friendly outdoor security without installing electrical wiring. Number 2. Gigalumi Solar Pathway Lights 8-pack. Ideal for walkways, garden paths, and driveways. Comes in a set of 8 decorative lights made of stainless steel and waterproof plastic. Charges during the day and stays on for 8-10 hours at night. Price. Often around $30 or less for the full pack. These add a beautiful soft glow to your yard at night without any fuss. Number 3. Power Solar Spotlights 2-pack. Perfect for highlighting trees, flags, or landscaping. Adjustable panels for angle and light direction. 2 brightness modes. Low and high can be stuck in the ground or mounted on a wall. Price, usually around $30. They're small but surprisingly bright. Perfect for accent lighting. Number 4. Brighten Ambiance Pro Solar String Lights. Great for patios, pergolas, or backyard entertaining. Weatherproof and stylish with Edison-style bulbs. Last 5-6 hours on a full charge. Easy to hang and solar-powered. Price, usually under $40. These are ideal for creating a warm, cozy atmosphere on a budget. Number 5. Baxia Technology Solar Lights 4-pack. Compact and bright with 100 LED bulbs, each ideal for walls, fences, or around sheds. Built-in motion sensor, fully weatherproof. Price, around $25, $30 for a set of 4. This is a great choice for adding reliable lighting around your property at night without a high cost. What to look for in budget solar lights. When shopping for low-cost solar lights, keep these key features in mind. Brightness, measured in lumens. Higher lumens mean brighter light. For pathways, 10-100 lumens is usually enough. For security, aim for 200-1000 lumens battery life. Good lights should run at least 6-10 hours per night. Lithium-ion or NiMH batteries offer the best performance, durability, and waterproofing. Look for IP65 or higher waterproof ratings. Weather-resistant materials like ABS plastic or stainless steel are best. Ease of installation. Choose lights that come with mounting hardware or stakes. Avoid anything too complicated to install. Smart features, optional. Some lights come with motion sensors, dimming modes, or timers. These features add value without much extra cost. Common mistakes to avoid: placing lights in full shade. Solar panels need direct sunlight to charge efficiently. Install in areas with at least 6 hours of sun. Buying lights with poor reviews. Check reviews before buying. Even cheap lights should be reliable. Forgetting to clean the panels. Dirt and dust can reduce performance. Clean your solar panels occasionally to keep them working well. Final thoughts. You don't have to spend a lot of money to enjoy beautiful, functional outdoor lighting. Let's recap the top budget solar lights. AUTech Motion Sensor Lights. Bright and great for security. Gigalumi Pathway Lights. Elegant and perfect for paths. Power Spotlights. For highlighting trees or landscaping. Brighten String Lights. Great for ambiance. Baxia Solar Lights. Compact and motion activated. No matter your budget or outdoor space, there's a solar light solution that fits. Thanks for watching Brighten Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more solar tips and product guides. And let us know in the comments, which outdoor area are you planning to brighten up with solar lights?